What's up guys? Today let's talk about spaghetti with Alfredo sauce. Welcome to the Kitchen Journal. This is a cooking, baking, and cake decorating channel. Let's dive into the procedures of this recipe. First, we have to saute onions and garlic. Let it sizzle until fragrant. Then we add the meat. Today I used ground beef, but you can use pork and chicken, whatever you fancy. So, while this is sizzling away, let me have a quick step outside to get some basil from the garden. A quick snip, and that's enough. And chop it finely, very, very finely. Oh, that smell! I love basil. I think that's fine enough. Maybe a little bit more. So here's my secret. I have here 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm grating finely using a ginger grater. Now this will add a little bit of depth to your flavor. You won't see it because it's really, really fine like this. Now let's go back to the sizzling meat. And in goes the basil, finely chopped. Have a quick stir. Now you can smell the basil as it hits the pan. It really warms up and releases its aroma. This is already smelling good, but we are not stopping there. Keep on stirring. Now that the beef have absorbed the aromatics, we can start by adding cream. I'm using whipped cream because that's what I have, but you can use milk, you can use half and half, it doesn't matter, but whipped cream is richer, which is nice. I just added a little bit of water from the container and stir it away. Now it's time to add our secret ingredient, the finely grated garlic, our background flavor. Now this will confuse your senses because you won't see it, but there is this intensity of flavor from the garlic which you don't see it really in big chunks. Now at this point, our sauce is almost ready. We're just simmering it away so that it will become a little bit thicker, and we will soon be ready to cook the pasta. And now let's add some cheese. I used parmesan cheese for yumminess, and it will make the sauce a little bit thicker. Our sauce is almost ready. We can put it aside to keep warm while we cook the pasta. Season it with salt and pepper. I think this is ready. Let's put it aside. Now it's time to cook the spaghetti. Now I'd like to cook my spaghetti just before al dente stage. I want to stop it at that point. That's because I don't want it to be overcooked, but at the same time I'd like to continue cooking in the sauce so that it will absorb all the goodness and flavor that we have. Now while this is really hot, I like it to go straight to my sauce. I don't like to drain my spaghetti. This is how I do it. I just use a pasta server and then I put it directly to the sauce. Okay, now it's time to mix this baby. Oops, not focused. Let me focus that again. There you go. Mix it nicely. And at this point, if you want to add some more basil, you can do so, or maybe garnish it with more basil, just to have a little bit more of aroma. We are almost done here. I just want to mix a little bit more and maybe add a little bit of cheese for yumminess. I want to melt the cheese by mixing it with the very hot spaghetti. Then at this point, we are almost ready, I think. Now this is almost ready. You can see that the spaghetti is not overcooked. At this stage, it's still cooking through with the heat of the sauce. Now this is perfect. Not overcooked. I hate overcooked pasta, don't you? Now it's tasting time. The moment of truth. I'd like to add a little bit of freshly ground pepper. That would make it perfect. I think we are ready to plate, but before that, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming here to this channel. If you'd like to see more of cooking, baking, and cake decorating videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload video. And as always, take care and be well.